This is just a scalp, just to give you an example about what I'm looking when I'm trading, when I'm scalping, and how to identify the next important levels to the upside and important levels to the downside, and to know how to get your buys.
Coffee with George.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
We go for the previous day high where we need to, and we go from there. Swing failure pattern. Then the daily should be in order. Let's see where we do. We have VWAP. So VWAP is below. Hopefully VWAP will move here. So if the price manages to push to this area, if we get a swing failure pattern, then a short. Whoa. See how this changed from increases to decreases? Because we've hit the stop losses. Because this took this high. Right, so someone had some stop losses there, basically like this. This is a scalp. I would give it just a bit of stop loss here because I cannot give it, because like I said, if this starts to push, it will go for the higher high and you're out of the trade. You accept the risk. What else? What the price is trying to do right now, and this is the decision, because I'm moving to trading. That's why I kind of don't want to have the exchange open when I'm streaming, because if I see things, I start to trade. Now the story is like this. The price is trying to flip this level. If the price manages to flip this level, so if this one holds as support, then we get another push. Before we get some confirmation about this, one could move the stop loss attention, and then if you get stopped out, it's like, okay, fair enough. But if the price manages to get the acceptance below this one, then daily should be in order. What do we have in between? Because you always want to see, when you're scalping, you always want to see all the levels that we do have in between. In between, we do have the local golden pocket, right? Local golden pocket, and that is around 42,900. 42,900 lower time frame, and I want this one. Basically, this is what the price is trying to do right now, is to flip the previous high. Daily resistance, you know, here we start to see the price getting acceptance above, so it's back up. We go here, rejection, a new high. So this is kind of claiming a level, looks like. Then the price goes here, right? So we do have some stop losses, and you've seen live the change from increases in open interest to decrease in open interest, like almost instantly. And now we need to see what's going on. If the price manages to hold this level as support, then it's more upside is possible, and I would expect basically this, because this is the next level to the upside, the higher high. If the price manages to get acceptance below this level, then it's the local golden pocket, and you know, then it's the daily and VWAP. Those are the levels. Just to give you an example about what I'm looking when I'm trading, when I'm scalping, and how to identify the next important levels to the upside and important levels to the downside, and to know how to get your buys. If you got like a very good entry, but if the move is 0.3 to 0.4, then you know, you book take profit one here, move your stop loss at entry, and it's, but right now it's just another opportunity to see a trade. You take the trade, have your risk management in check. You know, let's see what's going on. Okay, this is good. This is the backtest. But why don't we get this kind of volatility when we do have live trading sessions? So look, you miss the entry, you get the second entry, right? Now you have a very well-defined risk, because you're working with the idea that, you know, this is the top, the backtest, lower high, and the price starts to make lower low. So this is very good. Now the problem is in terms of the entry and the 0.3. So this could give you a take profit one, and then you move the stop loss at entry. This for a scalp, this is actually very good price. Actually, the only thing, one is to book profit. This is a scalp. And below, what do we have? Below we do have the daily, but maybe we don't get the daily. Remember, we're still building an uptrend here. The price is still building an uptrend. So when you see something like this, you need to be sharp with your entries and sharp with your take profit, and don't be shy on this take profit. And now what I would like to see is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high to the daily VWAP, and that should definitely be a take profit. Please allow me to say, I want to take and now let's see what's going on. Right, so I always set the take profit with a small front run, right? And if we get there, great. If not, I'll be stopped out. And that's another part of the game. What could be a red flag here? Well, a red flag here could be massive bullish CVD divergences, and if the price starts to make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if the price starts to change the market structure, then I just cut the trade. For the moment, we do have some bearish CVD divergences. Okay, right. So the longs are trying to push here, creating these bearish CVD divergences. Okay, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Daily. This should be take profit. I mean, this gives more than enough. Close, take profit. Actually, this was a very nice example. This aggressive, the backtest, very good, because you have a well-defined risk. Price goes here. This, like I said, when you see something like this, like very CVD divergences forming, the possibilities for lower are okay. And now we're back to VWAP and the day. If this area holds, let's give it some time. So the first time I'm willing to trade this level, but if the price starts to push once again, then I'll be looking towards previous day high. And we go from there. We check the reaction, we do everything that we need to do. There's no problem there. And if you want to go more in depth, we still have that campaign where you do have 2 weeks for free. So 2 weeks free trial, get access to everything, to premium Discord, to our modules, to the live trading session. And then if you find value in what we do, obviously you can continue. After that, you get 30% discount. So that's $80 per month, and then $129 moving forward. 2 weeks for free. If you want to learn something, if you want to see what we do, join our Discord. If you have problems with joining, please open a ticket with our customer service, and then we'll guide you, and they will give you all the information about what we do here.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.